Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to connect Panasonic RB-M600B headphones to Android phone. So you just need to push and hold the power button till you hear notification about pairing. And also you will see red and blue LED blinking. So now are your headphones in pairing mode and you can turn on the Bluetooth on the smartphone and find them in the list. So RB-M600B are our headphones, so we can pair them. This is pairing request, so tap on pair. Connected. And now our headphones and phone connected together, and you just tap on done now. And there will be also notification for adding them to your Google account, so they can be connected more quickly to other devices which use this Google account. So you can save it or cancel, it's up to you. And that's all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up, and for more videos like this, consider subscribing. Bye.